Welcome back to more Math Money. Today I want you to take out your money chart again so you can look at the coins, your whiteboard, marker, and then bring your Capture the Treasure and the little cards that go with it, okay? Just like I said, today we're going to talk about the dollar bill. So what do you notice about the dollar bill? We have a bunch of different bills. We have a dollar bill that is worth $1, a $5 bill that has a 5 on it, a $10 bill with a 10, a $20 bill with, guess what number's on that one, a 20, a $50 bill, and a $100 bill. So now, it's easy to tell what each bill is because guess what? It has the number on it. So this is just a $1 bill. A $5 bill would have a 5, 10 would have a 10, 20 a 20, 50 a 50, and 100 a 100. So bills are super easy to count because you just have to add the number that's on it. You don't have to recognize what it is because it tells you what it is. Coins, sometimes you have to recognize what they are, which is why we've been working on that every day, okay? So keep working on that. I'm going to show you a new way how to count coins. We're going to add in the dollar and the $5. I don't have a little saying for the $5 bill, but I'll show you how I'm going to draw $5 bills. So let's read about the $1. $1, green and long. With 100 cents, you can't go wrong. Here's how you write $1. Okay, remember the dollar sign goes out front. 1, and there's no cents with it. It's just a dollar bill. Or 100 cents. So here's my question for you. If $1 is 100 cents, what would $5 be? How many cents would a $5 bill be? You are correct if you said 500 cents. If you have $5, you have 500 cents. All right, great job, you guys. So now, let's take a look and let's practice some more counting with our money, okay? So I'm going to start doing a dollar. And what shape is dollar bills in? They're a rectangle. If I want to start with a dollar, I'm going to write 1 in the shape of a rectangle. I know that's a dollar, okay? And it's worth $1. Now I'm going to add a quarter onto that. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. Then I'm going to add a dime for 10 cents, a nickel, and how much is a nickel worth? What number should I write in there? If you said 5, great job, 5 cents, and then a penny for 1 cent. Okay, so let's see, we have $1, so which is how many cents? 100. What do I have to add to that to include my next change? I have to add 25 to get 125. Then I add 10 to get, our tens place goes up 1, 135. Then I add 5. And if you don't know, how can I add 5 to 135? I put a 5 in the ones place. I can put zeros here to get 140. And 140 plus 1 penny is 141 cents. I can write that as 141 cents, but that's kind of goofy to say because if we have over 100 cents, we want to write it into a dollar amount. So we would say we have $1 and 41 cents. This is how I want you to start writing it if it's over 100. Now let's do the same thing and let's add a couple dollar bills together, okay? So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to erase. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So now let's do a $5 bill, okay? And let's do 2 ones with it. And I'm going to put my bills all together because those are pretty easy to count. Now let's do our coins after that. I'm going to do 2 quarters, a nickel, and 2 pennies, okay? Let's see how much money we have all together now. Okay, remember a $5 bill has a 5 on it. A $1 bill are worth 1. So Let's count our dollar bills. We have 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 5, 6, 7. So I have $7 there. Or how many cents would that be? That would be 700 cents. Remember, dollars would be 700 cents. I have $7. Now I need to add my coins with it. 700 plus 25. Okay, if you need to add. Oh, whoa, I got ahead of myself. 700 plus 25 would get you 725 or $7.25. Then plus another 25 to get 750. Plus 5 more to get 755. Plus 1 to get 756. Plus another 1 to get 757. So you could say you have 757 cents. But how would we want to write that better? We would want to write that into dollars, and we would have $7. Remember, $7 with the decimal, and 57 cents. So that shows we would have $7.57. All right, so what I want you to do is first erase your boards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want you to practice, and I want you to use 3 different dollar bills, either 5s or 1s. Tomorrow we can add in the 10s, okay? And then I want you to use 4 different coins, and I want you to count your money, okay? If you have 161 cents, I want you to write it into the dollar form, okay? It would be $1.61, okay? Keep working hard on counting that money and practicing that, okay? I'm going to show you a new way tomorrow on how to count the money. I know we were going to get to that today, but I really want to show you the game first, okay? So pull out your Capture the Treasure game. I'll give you a moment to find that. I want you to mix up your cards if they're not mixed up already. So just spin them around, put them all over. I already mixed mine. Okay, so you're not starting in order with number 1. Let's take a look here. We're going to play it different than the instructions say. And I'm going to use coins to help me keep track of them. You can use a pencil and cross off the treasure chest that you found if you want to. But since I want to play this again later, I'm just going to use coins to help cover them. If you want to rip up the piece of paper, you can do that as well. So what you're going to do, and you may want to have your whiteboard handy so you can write this out, okay? It shows different things that are on there, okay? So take a look here, and I'm going to get my whiteboard out to show you. The first one says that I have 1 $5 bill, 5 $1 bills, 3 quarters, 2 nickels, and 1 penny. If I'm struggling with counting all of this, what do you think I can do? I'm going to go to my whiteboard, and give me 3 seconds to erase. 3, 2, 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw all that out. So it says I have 1 $5 bill. That's how I drew it. 5 $1 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each one of those is worth 1. Okay, so that's all my dollar bills. Then I have 3 quarters. 1, 2, because remember quarters are worth 25 cents. And if you need to use your sheet, go back and look at that. 2 nickels, which are worth 5 cents. And 1 penny. Now I'm going to count it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Okay. 10.25. Now I have 10.50, 10.75, plus 5 would be 10.80, 10.85, plus 1 more would be $10.86. How would you write that? $10.86. I know we haven't been counting that high, but remember, there's only 2 numbers that go after for the cents. Okay, because once you reach 100, you have another dollar. So now I'm going to go back to my board and I'm going to find the $10.86 and I'm going to cover it up. Then I'm going to go on to my next card, okay, which is 4 $1 bills, 4 quarters, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. If I count that in my head, I have $4 bills there. I know 4 quarters equal $1 to get 5. So I'm at $5. 2 nickels are 10 cents. Plus 4 pennies would be 14. So I'm at $5.14. Or you can draw it out again to help you count. Where's $5.14? Ooh, also on this side. Now you're racing each side. Whatever side gets filled up first, you have to do what is at the top. And I know you don't have it written on the top, but maybe you want to do that now. You can do 10 sit-ups or 10 push-ups. Remember, pause this video whenever you have to. Take some breaks in there. Get outside. Keep up the great work. Message me with any questions. Great job, boys and girls.